just walking out now. We're going to a little gutter, beach gutter for some flooding, and whatever else we'll hit really. I'm going to be chucking this Daiwa dog clutch on, taking out the middle hook and put two slightly larger hooks on it, and chucking it in Daiwa Tierra 2 to 7 kilo, and Daiwa Cardia 3000 with some 10-pound J-braid and I just bought that leader. What is it? What was it called? I just bought that leader. Yeah, it's just 16-pound fluoro leader. Yeah, I forgot the name of it. There's a pretty ripper-looking little gutter there, and might have to walk out to a. Looks like I can walk out. There's another good spot. So yeah, I'm gonna have a couple casts in here, see what happens. Alright, we've got a fair few hits. I've lost 2 fish, so that sucks, but they're definitely here. We've had some follows too that came right to our feet, massive flatty. But as you know, they take a bit of time, so we've slowed the retrieve a bit. Giving him a lot of time, a lot of pause, a lot of opportunity. Dad's onto a fish. Oh, he's big, isn't he? Is he good? Up. Hold up. Yeah, it's real slow. Oh, he's pretty good. Just drag him up, drag him up. You don't want him to snip it with his... Yeah, it's right in his gill, he'll cut it. Beauty. Hey, that's a keeper. Lit right up. 50, bang on 50. Oh no, 51.
That's legal, isn't it?
50, yeah, legals are 37. On. And he feels decent. Feels decent. Alright. Alright, we're going to slowly bring him up. Keeping that tension. Oi! Yeah, he's good. He's a good fish. Oh, he's a really good fish. That is a really, really good fish. Holy, okay. Okay. Just gonna let him take some line. Keep his head down, keep his head down. He's coming in easy. Whoa! He's crazy. He's crazy, I'm getting him out. Getting him out of the water. Oh, nah, 55. It's right on 55. If the fish breathed in, it would be 66. 56, I mean. Oh, yeah. That's good eating size. Yeah. Legal.
Tell you what, it gulped that one down.
What do you want? Right off the beach. Just come close.
I can't see the screen, it's so dark.
No, it's just up. It's off. I haven't got a hit in a while here. I did actually get a couple hits, but they were from whiting. And I could chuck on the sugar pen, but then that decreases my chance, I would say, of getting a big flatty. So I'm just gonna walk up a bit to the end. There's another gutter up there. Since the tide's running out, I've got a feeling they're just gonna move down here. But we'll see if that's right. We're gonna go and, yeah, hit this peak up here. And yeah. Oh! Oh, he's back on! Holy crap! I just got him on top water! Literally, I watched it. Wow! Wow, he's massive! That's a Taylor! Yo! Oh my god! I'm gonna have to tighten up here. Holy crap, literally, I saw it hit the water, massive splash. I saw it hit the water, massive splash, then he just running. Holy! Oh, whoa, whoa.
Careful there. Whoa! I think he's a big tailor. We're just going to lead it in the shallows, tire it out a bit. Yoo-hoo! Oh, he's going. He's going. Holy! Wow! That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Okay. Yeah, I think he's hooked real good because he's had a couple jumps and just hadn't been able to shake the hook. Might have to fight this guy for a while. I'm on, 10 pounds. Whoa! Holy, he's big. He's a big fish. This guy's big, man. Oh, he's not running. He must be so tired. It's what we want, though. Oh, he's close. Where is he? I'm just going to keep as much tension as I can because when he jumps, you don't have any slack on that hook. Any at all. He's right there. Holy crap, he's massive! This is the biggest tailor I've caught ever, for sure. Is that a tailor? I don't know. Yeah. It's just big. I just never, yeah, he's definitely a tailor. He's just... I've never seen one this big in my life. This is the biggest tailor I've ever seen. I'll keep him. Beach tailor. Whoa, he engulfed that. Mate, you can't beat the double clutches. You can't beat them. Everything wants them. Oh, what a fight. You never know off the beach. You can never tell. Yeah, he's 64. If he had his mouth closed, it'd probably be like 63. Let's see a dog. Mental. That's the fish right there. He's a ripper tailor. I've had to cut the line on the on the double clutch because I can't get it out, which isn't a bad thing. It means it wouldn't have come off during the fight. I literally can't get it out. I'm gonna have to rip him open. Part of the reason I gotta keep this fish, and I wouldn't mind a feed. That's what I got. That's a lot of meat. Couple kilos. Very, very, very happy. It's by far my biggest tailor, I think. Biggest before this was like not even legal. It would have been under 30 or maybe like just over like 35 or something. But ripper fish. Very, very happy with him. I think I'm gonna put on a like a 25 gram jig. Chuck that out there because they're still there. There's so many birds and stuff and whatnot out there, along there. Oh, we're on. Whoa. Yeah, another tailor for sure. Alright, he's a bit smaller. He's a good sized one though. Oh. He's got a lot of fight in him, this guy. Jeez. Whew. 30, he's 40 centimeters. Beauty. Oh, I'll put him back. We got way more than enough, Dad. Whew. Beautiful fish. We'll see if he kicks off. There we go. Whoa. Oh. Oh.
We're on! We're on to another good tailor. He's good. Oh. Popped off! Alright, we're on to a bit of a smaller tailor. I believe it's a tailor. But he's definitely smaller. Woohoo! Very good. That's what we want. Let's get this fella in as quick as possible. Whoop. Yeah, he's tiny. Pretty good little sailor. Get him back in. And hopefully one day we'll catch him when he's bigger, you know. Oh, there he goes.